Do you know what day it is today?
Yep, it's November 11th, which means it's Pepero Day. Okay, so today we'll be making Pepero sushi because today is November 11th.
Pepero Day.
November is 11 on the calendar and today is the 11th, so there's 4 ones, which mean Pocky sticks. So we got the Rice Krispies as the rice, and we got the Pockies as the, I guess, sushi, and the fruit roll-ups for the nori. Let's open the Pocky or Pepero box. So we got that open. Okay. We will be using the original flavors today, the crunchy.
That's the original?
Well, I guess. I don't think they have a normal chocolate one.
Crunchy.
Crunchy.
I like crunchy.
So then we'll open this. Oh. Okay, and take this out. And we'll leave these out like this. We have our Pocky sticks right here, and we have our Rice Krispies. I will be laying that right here.
The longest Rice Krispie squares I ever. It's not even a square. It's Rice Krispie rectangles.
I know it's the mega size.
Mega size.
And our fruit roll-ups.
Is that one a mega size?
I don't know. Oh,
Wait.
they come in individual packages.
Oh, it says mini feet.
Okay, let me unravel this. Oh, so long.
Is that even a foot?
It's way longer than a foot. Okay. So we'll take our Rice Krispies and we'll use this knife and we'll cut into little pieces.
Watch your fingers.
Okay.
Don't worry, he's a son of a sushi chef.
Yeah, don't worry. Okay, now that we got our pieces, these will act as our rice. Lay them out like this. And then we will take our Pocky sticks. And then we will break them like this. And then should we use the breadsticks as
Yeah, let's use both of them.
Okay. So these will go right on top of here. These will go right here. Okay. Now we'll break some more. Okay, these are uneven, but it's alright. We take the sticks, lay them like that. Just have to do them with every other one. Oh. I'll eat this one up first later.
No, I want to eat it.
Fine, you eat it.
Okay. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Wow, it's crunchy. So good.
These keep on falling.
Maybe you can put 2 for that one.
Yeah. Want one?
Thank you.
The next one, I'm eating it.
Okay, you deserve one.
This one's kind of long. Okay, 2. And 2. One more. I could probably go like that. I might need to open another package.
I think that one, you can just leave it as one.
Okay. So we got our fruit roll up. Okay, that one's weird. We're gonna take our knife again. Gonna cut it right here. Right. No, I think it needs to be a little bit longer. Right here. Take the rest and then cut it right here. Okay. Now we take our fruit roll-ups and then we wrap it around like this. Take this one. But I think we need another fruit roll-up.
Oh, you could cut those in half so it's not so thick.
Oh yeah, I could.
Just watch your fingers.
Yeah, I know.
It'll look prettier.
Okay. That's 3. Here's number 4. Okay, I'm gonna eat that for later. And cut this one. And wrap this around. Just repeat the process.
It's looking good.
Yep. This one's kind of thick.
I saw that.
No, you didn't. Okay, I'm also gonna eat that one.
How many are you eating?
Okay.
And you're gonna eat all that? Okay.
Oh no.
It's okay.
That's
No, you cut the thick one.
thick one. You take it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then put 2 Pocky sticks on that.
Oh yeah.
Right?
That's smart. Oh no. Okay, wrap that one around again. Take this one. Go like that. Now that we got all of our sticks, we're ready to plate them.
Yes, the most important part.
The plating.
I should probably start it at the top, right?
It's okay.
Let's bring them to the family.
Oh my gosh, it's November 11th.
Which means it's Pepero Day. First.
Rice Krispie squares, actually Rice Krispie rectangles as the rice, the Pocky as the topping, and the fruit roll-ups.
Did you just say Pocky?
It's a Pepero.
You said Pocky.
Anyways, fruit roll-ups as the nori belt.
Big bite.
There's a little sweetness to it.
Oh, I think it's all sweet though. I should probably do this more.
We'll see what they say. Do you want Ethan to be making more of these turning fast food or turning snacks into sushi? Write it in comments. Make sure to like and subscribe.